Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today we are unboxing Smart Berry Smartwatch. This is S19. We have two types. We have S19 and S19 Pro. All they have different features, and the S19 Pro was more upgraded or advanced. It has more features. I will also do a review about it. You can decide and see which watch you can buy, but depending on the prices it varies, so you can buy any depending on the price which you can afford, but all are very nice and good. So let's go ahead and we unbox this. We see what comes inside. So we have the charger of the phone and the two strips in silicone, or what we call plastic, and this is the watch and few smart watch users main guide. So you can go ahead and you read through if you don't know how you can use it. So let's go ahead and we check this watch. Let's put this one aside. Check this watch. So guys, to talk on the design, as you can see, the watch, it has this one rotatable button, and it's the one that supports on and off. And also this side we have the mouse of the phone here, the mouse piece. We have the speaker on this side. So you can change these strips, you put another one which you want. But this is the way how you can fit it. It's very easy. It's very easy and it fits properly on the arm, and it's small, it's not big. The size of the screen, it is 280 times 230. This is it. You can change the screens, you can change the screen faces, as you can see. So I will show you how you can connect it to your phone. So this is the watch, the design. Then also it fits properly on the arm. As you can see, it fits properly on the arm, as you can see. So let's go ahead and we review the functions of this watch. Before you buy it, you know the best feature that you will depend on to buy this watch. It supports this watch on your device. So let's go ahead, we go to Bluetooth and you try connecting this one. So we have to go here in the Bluetooth. Once you check, you will see the name of the watch. Once you click on it, it will automatically show you pair. So accept pairing on both devices. Once you click pair, from here you can also on the watch you go to Bluetooth. So here allow everything. So go to your watch, allow access contacts. All these ones you have to switch them on. Then once you go to your phone or to your to your watch, you can access the messages from there. It will first synchronize the messages. After, you can also access contacts from your watch or messages. These are contacts. You can go to contacts, you access the contacts. As you can see, if you want to make calls, once you go to dial pad here, you can make calls and the phone will automatically go through. As you can see, once you dial, it will automatically go through. Yeah, as you can see, it is connected to the watch, so it will automatically go through and it will ring, as you can hear. Yeah, so that is it. Let me remove this one. I talk to hello. Yeah, no gamba chimwana. No mpura. I was testing my watch to see whether it works properly. Nani kugira nti nani testing esha kureba yana ekora je. Kare namboni ngambira sha kamba nze na mboni shooting a video ninjaga comforter. Okay. So guys, as you have seen, this is the watch that it works properly without even if you have your phone very far, it works properly. You don't need to always carry your phone beside it, as long as you're in the house. Yeah, and if you want to play the music that it is on the watch, it will automatically play. So this is the music, the one I have on my watch. If I play right now, it will play very well, but it has copyright, so I will not play this music. Yeah, so as you can see, there are very many features here that you can use. Then another feature here, we have find my phone. You can use this one to find your phone. If you have left it behind, you can use your watch to find it. So from here, you can also access the WhatsApp messages. You can record anyone using your watch. You can test your blood pressure from here. And then the second features on this phone, on this smartwatch, you can change the watch faces. You can long press on the face watch, then you can shift. You put any face watch which you like. You can as well use the application, the app on the device, which I'm going to show you how to download it. Then you can do what? You can download more watch faces. It supports many while you're using the application. So if you want to download the application, you have to use this QR code. You can use this QR code, you scan it. After scanning it, it will take you to a website where you can download all these applications. So you see, you can also read through this user guide menu. It can show you what you need to do to use your watch properly. Yeah, so that is the way how we can download the application. Yeah, with the application you can do more with this watch, as you have seen. Yeah, anything that cannot be supported with Bluetooth, the watch will assist you, the application will assist you to access your phone. So this is find my device. Find my device. Once you click on it, it tells you to pair with the phone in M2 wear. So this one works when the application is available in your phone. So you need to first install the application if you want to use the full features of this watch. like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews, notifications and such videos. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.